last class, we talk about we started talking about futures trading, and I was talking about leverage. That is the most important difference between spot and futures. Because in futures, you can actually leverage, which means you can buy more than you can buy or sell with more. You can buy or sell something that is worth more than the money you have in your wallet. For example, if you have 100 USDT in your wallet, you can actually buy or sell any coin that is more than that because of leverage. And I told you that we have different type of leverage. I showed you that we have from 2x to 125x.
Mm.
These are different levels of leverage. Let me see if I can find those texts. So we have from 2x to 125x. So when we say 2x, it simply means that what you are buying or selling, you are spending like you are buying like 125 times of your money. What your money is supposed to buy, you are now buying like 125 times of it. That's what 125x means. It means that you can buy up to, if you have $100 in your wallet, you can buy up to 125 times 100 if you are using 125x. So that means you can buy up to 12,500 watts or something of that coin you are trading. Now, it is possible because they are not keeping the coin in your charge. The coin is still with them. Hello?
I can hear you.
The coin is still with them. It's just as if they are just giving you the ownership temporarily. That okay, have the ownership of this 12,500. Go and use it to trade. Now the problem is it's just $100 that you give them to be able to acquire this coin. You give them only $100 to be able to acquire this coin. So if you make loss on this coin and the loss gets to $100, they are going to collect their coin back from you, and your money is gone. It's just like them giving you money, borrowing money to go and trade with. But make sure that no matter the amount of money you draw for us to be able to get that money, don't lose more than that. You give us $100, fine, and we are now giving you 12,500 to go and trade. Now you can trade as much as you want with that 12,500, but make sure you don't lose up to $100. Does that
Okay.
make sense to you?
Yes.
Now, this is the hazard of leverage. This is the big hazard of leverage. Now you have just $100 that you give to your exchange as collateral. Let me put it like that. And now they are giving you 12,500 to go and trade. If you made if you make only 1% loss, if you make
Mm.
only 1% loss, 1% of 12,500 is going to be around 125, Abi. Is my
No,
math correct?
1.2.
Let me do small. Let me do the math. 1 divided by 100 multiplied by 12,500. Okay.
0.2
Yes,
now.
that's 125. 1% of this is 125.
Mm.
So if you just lose 1% of this, just only 1%, price just move 1% against you. Price just move 1% against you. You have lost all your money. You have lost 100% of your money. Because you must not lose anything less than $100. Anything more than $100, you must not lose it. And they gave you 12,500, and you want to trade on BTC. If BTC should do minus 1%, that means you have lost that minus 1% multiplied by your leverage. That is, you have lost 1% times 125. So you have lost 125%. All your money is gone. They cannot even allow you to lose up to 1% because that's going to be more than the $100 you dropped to them. So highest you can lose is maybe 0.8% or 0.9%. Let me calculate it to be sure.
Mm.
0.8 is the highest you can lose. If you do 0.8 divided by 100 multiplied by 125, it's going to give exactly 100. So anything that makes price BTC to do minus 0.8%, which is very, very small move, your money is gone. That's the hazard of leverage. If the price just move against you, little like this, your money is gone because you are trading with big money and you have just small money with your exchange that you can use to hold the trade. Does that make sense to you?
Mm-hmm.
But the bright side of it is that if price does not go be against you and it start going your way, if price start going your way, it's moving in your direction. If price begins to go in your direction and it goes in your direction for just 1%, you have already made profit of $125. If you are not lucky or your analysis is so good and it move in your way for 10%, so that means you'll be making 10% times 125. You'll be making like 1,250%. So that would be like roughly $1,250 just from your $100 if you are right and price move one. Now, if you are not right, price now do 100% in your favor. That means you are going to be making $12,500. Can you see that the bright side of it is very sweet? But the other side of it is very wicked. If this $12,500 now give you 100%, that means the price of BTC now move 100%. Let's say you are trading BTC and you are using 125x. If the price move 100%, that means you have gotten extra 12,500,
Okay.
and that is yours.
Yeah, what?
Maybe just 5x leverage. Okay, so what 5x leverage means that you to multiply your loss by 5 times and multiply your profit by 5 times. That's just the summary of it of leverage. You just increase your profit and increase your loss. Do you understand?